Prefabricated cabin assembly. SHS House Transit Pack cabins are delivered in packages. 4 packages equal the external dimensions of a sample of the cabin. Up to 8 transit pack cabins can be transported cost-effective on the truck. The cabins can be offloaded either by crane or by forklift. Please follow the SHS House handling instructions. Put the cabin in the level position. After unscrewing the transport protection from the covers and from the center, the roof frame is lifted with crane or forklift with a lifting device. Now the transport protection is removed. All components necessary for assembly can be found inside the transit pack cabin. All components are placed alongside the cabin. Now the corner posts are positioned into the floor frame and fixed with nuts, which we provided in the package. The roof frame is put into the place. The corner posts are firmly bolted to the floor frames in the same way. The cabin frame is now fully assembled and the panels can be put in. Door, window, sanitary window panels, as well as full panels can be positioned to your liking. The panel side, next to the corner posts, has to be assembled first. Always start with the both short ends of the cabin. The first panel at short end is now being pushed against the corner post and fixed with fastening clips. The second panel is put in and pushed against the first one. As soon as both short ends are finished, continue to fit the panels on the long side in the correct order. To increase stability, tension rods are put into the position provided. Now the screws on the fastening clips of each panel are being tightened, and tension rods are tightened slightly. The electrical connection can now be established to avoid mixing up cables. Special plug-in connections are provided or electrical installations meet the current international regulations. The hollow spaces in the roof are filled with insulation material, and rubber seal is placed on the inside of the panel in order to obtain better thermal insulation. The cover trims are fitted. The skirting boards can also be used to cover telephone cables. Your cabin is now ready for use. Linking kit assembly. If you want to link more SHS house cabins together, or if you want to create your own design by fitting partition walls, we will be pleased to provide you with further information. SHS house cabins can be combined any way you like. Your cabins will be delivered in the right panel order according to your building layout, as shown in this example. The transport protection is removed if the existing cabin needs to be linked together. The unnecessary panels have to be taken out. The cabins can now be placed together. The gap for the perfect link is 2 cm. and has to be adjusted accordingly. Take the necessary linking kit. The special rubber seal is placed between cabin frames and is knocked in carefully. The final setting of gap to 1.5 cm is achieved by the use of provided tension bolts. Inside the cabin, the floor covering plate is made of stainless steel and is filled with insulation materials. The corner posts are covered with side cover trims with insulation material inside, with ceiling cover trims in the same way. To create larger and various room sizes, cabins are linked together with 10 by 20 feet cabins on the short side and long side, as showing you an existing example. Internal partitioning can be fitted to create even more personalized room layout. Flexible combination of cabins of various sizes from 10 feet, 16 feet, 20 feet, 24 feet, and 30 feet are workable also. In doing so, attention has to be paid to the crack order of the assembly. The long and short sides are covered with special rubber seal placing in the center to the outside. After that, the cabin combination is bolted together by using external tension bolts. The covering of the corner post on the roof frame is done by using provided cover trims. Your SHS house modular system is now ready for use.